Parenthesis 3 plus 5 times 2 plus 4. 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Then 8 times 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 will give us 6. Then we have 8 times 6. 8 times 6 will give us 48. 48 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we work with our parentheses because it comes first. 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 2 plus 4. Now we move from our left to our right because multiplication comes before addition. 8 times 2 will give us 16. Then 16 plus 4 will give us 20. 20 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.